Greetings, I counted the workflows, and the total number is 142. I asked the sky for a sign about what the new update's name should be, and during the night, a vision appeared in my dream. New features in the V142 version. ID Pro Plus Mask Workflow. Now upgraded with the ability to mask any face and seamlessly replace it with your reference face. Whenever you generate images, always include in the prompt a clear description of what you want to see. For example, specify the subject, such as a woman, and details like hair color, for example, black hair. In this case, that's all we need. Let's start the generation process. Drag the new image into the Load Image node, mask the man's face, and update the prompt to include man. High-resolution outputs. The replaced images are generated in high resolution for stunning results. Enhanced flexibility. You can now replace faces of any size or pose effortlessly. Flux Dev Original Workflow. You can now download any Flux model available on the Civit AI page and seamlessly use it with this workflow. Expand your creative possibilities by integrating the latest models into your projects. Morph V2 Workflow. The new version is faster, more efficient, and now 100% capable of transforming the reference image into exactly what you specify in the prompt. Experience unparalleled precision and speed with Morph V2. (2000 pixel Latent upscale workflow). The updated version now allows you to use a denoise strength of up to 1 while retaining all the details. The images are upscaled to a stunning 2000 pixel resolution, delivering sharper and more detailed results. ComfyUI Workflow. The updated version now includes pre-installed podium and guitar poses, along with separate workflows for women and men. This allows you to create stunning images with any face you upload. Unleash your creativity and effortlessly design beautiful, personalized characters. Remove background workflow. I've added a masking tool that allows you to easily mask out an object, cut it out, and remove the background with just one click. Retouch Pro Workflow Update. I've added a new workflow with an in-paint feature, allowing you to refine and enhance specific parts of the image. Perfect for making detailed adjustments with precision. Text-to-video workflow update. I've added a new workflow featuring a batch prompt node, allowing you to specify a prompt for every frame. This gives you complete control over the content and style of each frame in your video. Default Pro workflow update. The default workflow has now been integrated with the ControlNet, IP adapter, and in-paint, out-paint workflows, bringing everything together in one place. This update streamlines your process for faster and more efficient work. Motion workflow. This new workflow allows you to generate seamless pattern images and add camera movement using depth maps. You can choose from various types of motion, enabling you to create high-quality videos without any loss of detail. Bring your images to life and add dynamic motion effortlessly. Big thanks to ACATS for this amazing workflow. Let's follow him to stay updated on similar valuable workflows in the future. Bus Relief Workflow Update. The Bus Relief workflow now features an updated depth model and improved workflows, offering more intricate details. It's perfect for creating designs ready to be sent to laser engraving machines. You can now easily create any coin design you like with this powerful workflow. New Texture 3D Workflow. With this new workflow, you can create seamless pattern images that are perfect for use as textures in 3D applications. The starting size is 1000 by 1000 pixels, and with just one click, you'll get to buy 2 and 4 by 4 concatenated versions, allowing you to instantly preview how your texture will look at larger sizes. Wildcards version to workflow. This is an incredibly convenient prompt mixing workflow. Simply place your prompts into the nodes, and each generation will use a new, unique prompt. It also includes the Flux GGUF workflow. While Flux may produce slightly blurred faces, the SDXL Latent upscale ensures that you get high-resolution, full HD images with excellent quality in the final result. I'll show you how to update ComfyUI Studio from version V88 to V142. The link is in the description, which will direct you to the relevant Patreon post. At the bottom of the post, you'll find the V142 update archive, which is about 180 megabytes. Download it to the root folder of ComfyUI Studio. Right-click on it, select Extract All, and confirm. Inside the newly created folder, you'll find an update script. Run it. Next, execute the Download All Models script located in the root folder to download the new models to their correct locations. Finally, delete the update files and launch the program using the start script. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next update.